Welcome to nature's animals. I'm Daniel Mappo, your host. Welcome to nature's wildest animals. Today we look at a creature that it's known for its sexiness. We look at the Roberto. As you see here, the Roberto, he's doing his work patiently, waiting for the female to come.
Fuck off.
He waits at home and does nothing, lazily plays on one of his consoles, and waits for the female to feed him, cook him, and pleasure him. The Roberto is also known for rejecting females,
Fuck off.
as his standards are so high, not even the sun can reach them.
Fuck off.
As you can see, he's making his native cry, "Fuck off."
Shut up.
I think he senses us.
Go away.
This has been an exclusive from Animal Planet. I'm your host, Daniel Mappo. See us next time for one of the shortest creatures in the world. It's called the Peter.